I welcome you to my channel Learn with Pharmacy. In today's video lecture, we will acquire the detailed information on the topic that is toxicology. The branch of science which deals with the toxic and poisons with their effect on body in treatment is known as toxicology. Example, treatment of heavy metal poisoning like mercury poisoning, lead poisoning, those all treatment are being involved in toxicology. Another example can include snake poison. If a snake bite a person, then as an antidote, snake venom is only given to that particular person. So that is toxicity. Another example is if a person is suffering from cancer, then to kill the cancer cell, radiations are being produced. So in this, we are producing toxicity. There are mainly four types of toxicity. First is acute toxicity. Acute means for short period of time, which means generally recurs in 14 days and effect are shown in 24 to 72 hours after exposure. But in minor cases, the acute toxicity can be serious, like mercury poisoning, arsenic poisoning, and snake venom. Second toxicity, that is chronic toxicity. Chronic means for long period of time. In this toxicity, it may take week or it may take month or years to manifest. Manifest means to be cured from the particular toxicity. In chronic toxicity, the toxicity can be 100% cure or after being cured, it can be repeated over many years. And the third toxicity, that is local toxicity, which generally occur on specific area of contact such as mucous membrane, eyes, throat. Example, if the toxicity is occur on hand, so it can't be spread to your other parts of the body. Toxicity will be exposed to your hand only. Next is systemic circulation. In this, effect is distributed throughout the body. Like if we will inhale chloroform, it will affect our whole body, especially brain, due to which we become unconscious. So hope you have understood the term that is toxicology. So like, share and subscribe our channel Learn with Pharmacy. We will back with new term in next video. Thank you.